Did he get your toes? Georgie, what happened? Go get her. Go get her. Go get Ashley. Oh shit. Oh shit. What are you eating? No. No. What is that? I just picked shit up off the floor. But his mouth is so big that he can like hide things in there without me being able to find it.
Let's go to Baltimore.
Ah, I'm taking a video.
Let's go to Baltimore, Ken.
We're gonna be more cool.
Come get in. Come get in the box.
Put him in the drugs box. He's like, I'm gonna get my moo-moo.